Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a super simple bit of car maintenance that will save you time and money, replacing the cabin air filter in your BYD Dolphin. It's way easier than you might think, and I'll walk you through every step. First things first, grab your new cabin air filter. Go ahead and have it right by your side so it's within easy reach. We'll be needing it in just a bit. Finding and accessing the filter. The filter lives right behind the glove compartment, so let's start by emptying out your glove box. It makes everything much easier to handle. Now take a look at the sides of your open glove box. You'll see little stoppers on each side that keep it from swinging down too far. To remove the glove box, we need to gently pop these stoppers out. Here's the trick. We do this one side at a time. Start with the left side. Just give the sidewall a firm but gentle push inward, and then pull that corner of the glove box towards you. You should feel and hear the stopper pop free. Perfect. Now, just repeat that exact same move on the right side. The damping line, the trickiest part made easy. Okay, this next part is the one that can seem a little tricky, but we've got a pro tip for you. You'll see a spring-loaded line hooked to the left side. This is what gives the glove box that nice, slow open. To unhook it safely, place the glove box on its side on the floor. Gently lift the end nearest the arm with your foot. This gives you just enough slack and control. Now with your hands free, you can easily unhook the line. Pro tip, try not to extend the spring line all the way out. Just keep a little gentle pressure on it as you unhook it. There we go. Ta-da! Now you can see the cabin air filter compartment. Grab your phone's flashlight if you need a better look. To open the cover, you'll see a simple clip. Just press it to release it, and the cover comes right off. Pull out the old filter. Go ahead and slide the new one right in its place. Important, make sure it's facing the right way. There's usually an arrow on the frame showing the airflow direction, so just match that up. Once it's sitting snug, just pop the cover back on until it clicks. Alright, time for reassembly. The key is to hook that spring-loaded line back first. Just like before, place the glove box on its side and use your foot to lift it into position. This makes it a breeze to hook the line back into place. With that secured, the hard part is over. Now just line up the stoppers on the right and left sides and push them back into their slots. If it doesn't seem to close perfectly, don't worry. Just run your hand along the bottom back edge of the glove box to make sure it's sitting correctly on its lower hinges. A little nudge is usually all it takes. And that's it. You've just successfully replaced your own cabin air filter. Give the glove box a open and close to make sure everything feels smooth. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. It really means a lot. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.